Hey entrepreneurs, we're just a few days away from wrapping up our first month of 2022. And there's no better time than to take a moment to assess your progress. So get your list out, check boxes, and hold yourself accountable for your opportunities as well as your successes. So whichever it may be, there's still 2 months left in the quarter. So let's do it. And with that, let's jump right into this week's Builderall Weekly Update. As mentioned in our meetings this past week, if you've currently built your e-commerce store with our Ecommerce Magento integration tool, we highly encourage you to start migrating towards hosting and building your e-commerce business using Builderall Super Checkout. Or if you're building your business with WordPress, choose WooCommerce. As of February 10th, our Ecommerce Magento tool will move from legacy to complete discontinued and will no longer be available inside your back office. Speaking of Super Checkout, we have an update when setting up your checkout design. Once inside your design selection page, you're going to notice a new 3-step checkout option and a new 2-step checkout option, both that our developers will work to further develop and support. So we've been asked to encourage you to discontinue use of our Alt 2-step checkout and our 2-step checkout. So please be sure to update these options real soon. Now, an exciting announcement. When it comes to Builderall blogs, RSS feeds are a way for you to syndicate your content so that other people can read it. They work by taking the content from your blog and putting it into a format that can be read by other people's RSS readers. This allows them to keep up with your latest post without having to visit your blog every single day. And you can now do this with Builderall blogs. Be on the lookout for a Builderall blog and RSS feed training coming soon. Now here's a question for you. Did you catch Tuesday night's training? Our amazing Shelly Turner shares how you can build an e-course with modules and lessons from inside your Cheetah drag and drop website builder using one of our easy to edit pre-built membership area templates, a quick and simple alternative to delivering your course. On top of that, she demonstrates on how to put it behind a membership wall where it's only accessible to members only. Want more training? You got it. Join Jackie DeClerc next week inside our Facebook Builderall community as she takes a deep dive into building your business with these cool daily knowledgeable upgrades. Now, on to additional new ways on how to stay connected. The first one is through the Alexa app. You can now get Builderall updates via your Echo device or cell phone and desktop apps. We're currently in beta testing this app across the United States and will expand across our global partners in the very near future. To get set up, all you need to do is grab the app. Download the Alexa app to your Windows PC, Android, or iOS device by simply navigating to the Builderall knowledge base from inside your back office. From the home page, search Alexa and select Builderall updates on Alexa. Follow the 3 slides of instructions to get set up and give it a try. Starting Monday, January 31st, 2022, we'll start sharing the most up-to-date episodes, so stay tuned. Here's another question for you. Have you downloaded our Builderall app? It's easy. Our Builderall app brings all of the ways to stay connected together right here. Check out a clip from last week's weekly update to show you how to get started. Download our Builderall app and get access to the About page, providing you details of plans available. Next, you can hop on over to links to gain access to our different Facebook groups that make up our amazing community of entrepreneurs, as well as quick access to our Builderall knowledge base. Podcast option? Yep, you got it. We'll give you access to future episodes, updates, and more coming soon. Our magazine, you've got to check this out. See the latest published digital magazine in PDF format with clickable links to serve as additional added resources right at your fingertips. And lastly, our meetings link. Access our live or pre-recorded meetings by navigating here, entering your name, and enjoying the content available. So to get your hands on this app, grab your cell phone and be sure to capture the QR code to get started. Now, onto a cool tool coming soon, our Builderall Digital Planner. Next week, we'll feature a link where you can access your very own 2022 digital planner, where you can plan your month, your week, and even your day. On top of that, your planner will include additional templates for more in-depth monthly, weekly, and daily tracking, as well as financial trackers, and an assortment of miscellaneous templates that I'm sure you'll find helpful when planning for you and your business. Need a social media checklist? Well, you'll find that along with more cool stuff coming soon. So there you go, another Builderall Weekly Update. Thank you so much for showing us your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing a cool comment. That's my time. I'll see you again next week. Have a great weekend, everyone.